Did you know that by making a few simple adjustments, you can significantly enhance your dog's happiness, health, and behavior? Most pet owners are unaware of these life-changing strategies, but today, we're sharing 5 powerful tips that can completely transform your furry friend's life. If you truly care about your dog's well-being, stick around, because tip number 3 is something that 90% of dog owners tend to overlook. Number 1, creating calm with massage. We all know how soothing a good massage can be. It relieves tension and promotes relaxation. But did you know that dogs experience the same benefits? Just like humans, they hold stress in their muscles. A gentle massage isn't just a luxury. It's a form of communication, a way to strengthen trust and deepen your bond. Begin with light strokes along their back, gradually moving down their legs. Pay attention to how they react. Notice where they carry tension and use firm, circular motions to ease muscle tightness. As you continue, observe their energy. Are they restless and tense, or do they begin to relax? Your touch can guide them into a state of balance and tranquility. A relaxed dog is a happy dog, and regular massages are a simple yet effective way to achieve that peace while enhancing your connection. Number 2, strengthening the bond through companionship. Dogs are naturally social animals living in packs in the wild. They crave companionship just as much as they need food and water. As a pet owner, you are their pack leader, their source of stability, comfort, and affection. Spending time with your dog goes beyond a quick game of fetch. It's about being truly present and engaged with them. Take them on walks, not just for physical exercise, but to stimulate their senses. Allow them to sniff, explore, and take in their surroundings. Talk to them, maintain eye contact, and let them feel your presence. Dogs are highly intuitive and can sense your emotions. If you're stressed or anxious, they pick up on that energy. Instead, project calm confidence and leadership. A dog that feels secure and connected to their owner is a truly content one. Number 3, keeping the mind sharp for a happier dog. A well-exercised dog is a happy one, right? While physical activity is essential, mental stimulation is just as crucial. Without it, dogs can become bored, destructive, and even experience signs of depression. In the wild, canines use their intelligence to hunt, problem-solve, and adapt to their environment. Tapping into their natural instincts keeps their minds active and engaged. Puzzle toys aren't just fun, they serve as mental workouts. Start with easy ones and gradually increase the difficulty to keep your dog challenged and motivated. Training is another great way to engage their mind. Beyond teaching commands, training strengthens your bond, fosters communication, and gives your dog a sense of purpose. A mentally stimulated dog is more balanced and less likely to develop destructive habits. Number 4, encouraging socialization with other animals. Dogs thrive in environments where they can interact with their own kind. Socialization helps them learn essential canine behaviors, improving their overall well-being. Not every dog will befriend every other dog, and that's okay. What's important is controlled, positive social experiences. Introduce your dog to others gradually in safe settings, paying close attention to their body language. Are they relaxed and curious, or do they appear anxious and hesitant? Dog parks can be beneficial, but only if your dog is comfortable around others. If they show signs of fear or aggression, a smaller, controlled play group may be a better option. Socialization isn't about forcing interactions. It's about creating positive experiences that build confidence and help your dog navigate the world more easily. Number 5, the power of playtime. Play isn't just about burning off energy. It's a fundamental need that fulfills your dog's instincts. Whether it's chasing, fetching, or tug-of-war, engaging in play strengthens your bond and provides essential mental and physical stimulation. Make dedicated playtime part of your daily routine, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes. Choose activities that match your dog's interests. Some love retrieving balls, while others prefer a game of tug. The key is to find what excites them and keeps their tail wagging. A playful dog is a happy dog, and regular interactive play helps prevent behavioral problems by keeping them engaged and satisfied. If these tips helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on keeping your dog happy and healthy. Understanding your dog's instincts and unique needs is the key to a fulfilling and rewarding relationship. Now, go spend some quality time with your furry companion. You'll both benefit from it.